Hey, in this video I'm going to show you when and where to use duct tape when installing your irrigation system. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any kind of tip. Now I'm going to show you a good place to always use duct tape when you're installing your sprinklers. If you come up to a place where you've got to stop and you're not going to continue your irrigation line, and maybe till the next day, or maybe it's going to be Monday or whenever, this is when and where you want to use duct tape. Let me show you something. Now this is a good place to always keep duct tape around and to use it when you're installing an irrigation system. We've got a valve right here that we just installed. We tied into our main line, but this is as far as I'm gonna go today. I'm not gonna ditch out from this valve and connect to this pipe anymore. So I've got an open pipe right here. But see, I'm done for the day, and it's actually Friday, so it'll be Monday before I can tie onto this. And so anytime that you're installing your sprinkler system, and you always wanna tape off these open lines at the end of the day. Don't leave anything open like this. Anything can get in there and clog this up, and then go down your line, clog your irrigation, your sprinklers up. And so you never know what can happen. There's been times I've left one open and a storm came up, filled it full of mud. We had to cut it out and redo it. And so you don't ever want to get into that situation. So it's good to keep some duct tape around to tape these off. Now let me show you. When you end up at the end of the day with an open pipe, go ahead and take your duct tape and tape it off. So now that open pipe is taped off, nothing can get in there, and then when we come to tie back onto this, we'll just take this tape off, glue our pipe in there, and we'll be ready to go. Remember, always fold your tape over. But it's always a good idea. The tip for this, tip of the day, using duct tape, tip of the day, tape off any end that's open at the end of the day. That way nothing can get in there that can end up clogging up your sprinkler heads. And here's a couple more tape tip videos. Check them out.